Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with an analysis of gold. So, guys, watch my video that I have posted yesterday on YouTube. I have predicted that the monthly candle will be down, and that's what I was saying in my last video. And guys, the result is on the screen. You can see we have a big drop as per the analysis. So guys, those traders who have taken the sell positions today as on 200forexpips.com recommendations, they must have collected the massive profit, because if you look at the gold now, it is went back into 1297, and I have mentioned this is the swing trade. You need to use the low lot size and leave it for a longer time frame. So guys, the result is on the screen. You can see we have a massive drop on gold today. Okay, now let's analyze this thing as per the trading system, the 200 Forex Pips trading system, so that we can see how things look as per the trading system. Okay guys, so it went into the top red boundary, and then after it starts getting the rejection, and look, the market is down here. But if we go to the 4-hour time frame, still it's expecting the drop, because it does not reach to the lower red boundary where it is called to be into the oversold levels. And even on the daily chart, you can see it's pumping below the dotted line, and that's a sell signal still ongoing, and maybe this could make some recovery in the second part of the day, but till now we have sell signals on gold. And if you look at here, this red arrow, the red arrow was pointed at the overbought levels, and then the market started to go down. So, and even if you look at the price monitor, I'm just attaching the third indicator, that's the price monitor. The price monitor was also red, and then it was simply given us a red signal, and the market went flat here. So guys, it was all about the today's analysis. So I have given the sell trade on gold yesterday, and with the grace of God, we have hit our signal with no problem. So guys, if you are looking to learn forex trading through my video lessons, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all these, please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.